Diamond's Gelling Sachets with ActiveOne Odor Control are designed for people who have liquid stool output. They are not for use with a urostomy. Diamond's Gelling Sachets solidify liquid contents and may reduce excess gas for a flatter, more discreet pouch. To use, do not tear or open the sachet. Place the entire sachet into the pouch through the skin barrier opening prior to use, or through the drainable pouch outlet. Close your pouch as normal. When liquid comes into contact with the sachet, the outer wrapper dissolves and the contents immediately start to gel. This thickens the liquid output in a matter of minutes. When it is time to empty or change your pouch, you can empty or dispose of the contents as normal. Note: output may appear darker than usual and/or may contain black flecks as a result of the ActiveOne Odor Control system. If you are currently monitoring output color, temporarily discontinue use of Diamond's products.